Hello and good day to all forex traders. I have not covered the Euro USD pair in monthly analysis, so I want to cover it, and also I will give a relation in compared to what happened in last week and how did we predict it and how did the market unfold in the last week, and we'll try to see what can be done on what is the higher probability trade for the next week. This video is done on 4th November in the weekend. Hope it will make a positive impact in your trading decision. First of all, we have not done any monthly assessment, so I am in currently monthly time frame. Let's see what happened in the month. So an informed trader has higher edges than an ignorant or uninformed trader. So we can see that it has formed a double bottom in month, and this double bottom has created the current height here. So we have to just monitor the depth of the month and make some marking in the monthly time frame, so we can have some leading information how the market is inconsistent with the monthly time frame. So this is the I beg your pardon, this is the monthly double bottom, we can say. Let's do it. This is the thing, and it is very clear, to form a bottom we need a red green, and it is here available at the same time. This is in parallel with this one, and this bottom is created from here. So we have to see that this is the monthly double top. Here the monthly double top happened. So let's mark it. To form a double top we need a green red, and here it is very clear. Let me enlarge a little so things can be visualized more clearly. So this is what happened. So this double top, monthly double top, has created this bottom, and now this bottom, for this bottom the market raised up to this position, and it is very clear that if we consider the last 3 months, it is in downtrend. But here we can see that why this double top has been created here. There is no explanation in the month. However, we just keep in mind that in monthly we are still in downtrend if we consider 1, 2, 3, 4 months, not 3 months. I beg your pardon for that. So keep it in mind. This is the best we can see that in the monthly time frame we have this information. And a vital information I can say here is that the monthly time frame, we can see the last month in October it has an indecision candle. This is a indecision candle. This is which we don't know where the market will go, but beginning of November, the market is going upward. So we need to see why it is going upward. So this indecision candle is the main thing which made us confused in the beginning of the month, that why the market is where the market will go. So this we don't want to allow to be visualized in any other time frame. Just for our information, we want to just keep this in mind. The market in monthly time frame is downtrend. We have a indecision candle, and we have a indecision candle here, and this candle didn't provide us any information at the beginning of the month, but the market is now on a little bit upward price tendency. And also we would like to see that why the market didn't go downward anymore. At the same time, why it causing a double top here, what caused a double top here. Yes, in the previous video I have mentioned it clearly that why it is not going, what is the reason for the double top. I beg your pardon for I don't want to allow these things to come in any other time frame, because this will not help us anymore. Okay, so let's move on to the weekly time frame. So here is in weekly time frame, we can see that a double bottom has formed. This is the double bottom, and this double bottom created this upward and the week range started, the top is here in week, this is the top, and if we want to draw a line, this is not a double top, but this is the top of the week. So we don't have any double top in week, so we have to find what caused this to push the price down, because to form a double top we need a green and red here, and we cannot find, there are 3 reds. So I beg your pardon that last week I put the the weekly top boundary here, it has to be removed, but of course the double bottom is here. And in weekly time frame we can see it is still in downtrend, so that is the information we have at the moment. So this is the reason for double bottom in week. Coming back to day, in day time frame now we have a lot of things going on. So first of all, we have to see very clearly why what happened here. So can we find a double top in day? Yes, we can. Here is the reason the double top formed. So if we go to month, there is no double top. You can see that why this double top has been why the price started going down from here. In weekly we couldn't find why the price started going down from here, as there is no double top here. We cannot find anything in reference to this, but in day now we have something here. If we put the mark here, let's put the marking here, make it blue, and let's go here, let's visualize. You see here we have this is the thing which created the double top in the day. So if we mark it like this, I beg your pardon, this is the place which created the thing. This, let's enlarge it a little and draw it. So this daily double top has created this pushed the price down on downside. This is the thing. I take a little bit, the video length is a little bit higher because I want the traders to visualize what is going on in the market rather than taking the trade. Just I'm telling you to take the trade. No, it is not that. So you can educate yourself at the same time, and at the same time you educate me too. So in day also, this is a double bottom. You can see from here, right? From here, in day there is double bottom, and for the record, I would like to say any double bottom created in two different time frame is very weak. So keep that in mind. So keep that in mind. So anytime price comes here, it will be very easy for the price to break this barrier. So in day time frame, it is still still a downtrend. There is nothing happened so seriously, so we can, but there is a change considering the last week. So this double top of the day created this double bottom in the week, in the day below. Now we need to see what is happening in day. Very straight, simple and easy. Here we did mention in the last video that it has taken the form of the cup and handle. Last week, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we take off this 5 candle of last week, we can see there we did mention that this is a cup and handle, and cup and handle is a very powerful pattern. So we did consider the market structure, and now this cup and handle has been formed. Let me make it black so you guys can visualize it more clearly. Can you guys see? This is the cup and this is the handle. It is formed in last week. I beg your pardon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A little bit glitch in my drawing. Let me draw it properly. This is the cup, I can say, and this is the handle. Please ignore my inefficiency in drawing. So this week, the last week, what happened? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The very simple cup and handle pattern. When we measure the depth from here. This is the depth from the lowest candle. So this is the lowest bottle, like the depth of the cup, and now it will go from here to here. Can you guys see how much it will go? And this was the line drawn not last week, but the previous week. In that we did mention that if the price breaks this line, the market will be bullish, and it is turning that it has broken that line. So the market will go, initially we are predicting that the market will go at least to this point. 50% of it, if we measure, then at least it will get here. So we are expecting the market to be here first, and once the market reaches here, then we will see what happens, because once the market reaches here, it may form a double top in the there is a potential double top in day time frame here. You can see that this is the place. If we consider, it may or may not, we don't know. So we put it in black. We don't know anything, we don't know, we put it in black. And after that, it matches. If it crosses this line, then it will come here. And this is another double top in day time frame. And let's draw it properly, which is inconsistent with the target we have fixed here. So these are the places we should look into, where the market can form double top and the market can have a chance to come down. The trend line, we don't need it here, So let's not visualize it in day and hourly. We did mention in weekly and monthly the trend is downward. So once, please note, so okay, let it cover first here. So it will go from here to here. It is already reached. Now it is trying to retest. Once the retest is complete, it will come here, it will retest, and it will reach here. And maybe it will retest here or no, I don't know. But I think it will go here. And it will retest, and if it is broken, we will discuss that later. But for the time being, we can see how far the market can go on the top side, and the probability on the top side is right now much more higher than on the bottom side. The reason is this: a structural break has achieved. This is a either we can say this was the change of character. This place, this was change of character actually, and and this was break of structure. But some people can think a break of structure can maybe here. We don't know. We don't know. Maybe here. And of course, there is another zone we need to consider here, and that is the thing which pushed the price right now from a double top from here to. So this is a zone 1, this is second zone, and this is the extreme zone. These are the 3 zones. So any of you guys, if you take a buy trade, I repeat it, if you think the trend will continue on the downtrend, if you take a sell trade, please consider from here. Don't consider it from here and here, because this is a very high momentum candlestick, and it has taken out this barrier very well. Very protective barrier has been broken here, and also this barrier has been broken also. So these two things give us the very, and if you see that when this line is broken, no test has been done. It has been tried twice, and in third attempt it broke here, and there is no test even here. No retest has been done here. So the market momentum is very strong at the moment. So considering that, I think it will not, maybe we will see some reaction here. If we go to 4 hours, I think, yes, we are getting the reaction already. The retest is here already. We can see the retest. The retests are here already available. If we want to see 4 hours, we need to put them on to visualize in our chart, so we can see things very clearly. Hours, this is 2. We want to see what is going. Okay, so if we go to 4 hours, now you see the retest has started here. This is the zone from where you see this. This is the candle in day, but in 4 hours also. But as this double top is available in both 4 hours and as well as in daytime. Where is it? This one is available in 4 hours and daytime. It will not resist. This resistance will not work, I think. But here let us see if we have this area. Let's put one by one, so we can visualize things very clearly. This is one in daily, and this is another zone in daily. Any resistance or support, I repeat it again, any resistance and support, if it is in 2 time frame, it is weak. So please consider that in mind. And if any resistance or support in a single time frame, it is very strong. It is very strong. So we have 1, 2, 3. So let's see in 4 hours which are available and which are not. So in 4 hours we have the same, you see, we may have same. So I don't think this is very strong zone, and in here we don't know yet, because until the price comes here or not, how it will react. And so let's see what happened. So in day time frame it is very clear, it has formed a cup and handle, and it can go up to this. Now for any good reason, this is a crowd psychology, there may be a change in fundamentals. So for any good reason, if the price form a double top from here, what will happen? Then the price will start come down in the same process. We can say that the price will come down from here to this level. So if the price for any reason it didn't go high, I mean, let's draw it like this, it will go high, it will break down, it will retest, and it will come here, the same zone here, and it will make some ranging, maybe it's supposed to, and it will come down here. So this can happen on the downside. So how should we take the trade? To take the trade, we need to go to 4 hours. We have to see if it fails on downside. Like what I meant by this structure is this, that it is like this actually. This is going up, now it is testing, and if this test fail, doesn't break the below line, then it will go up and it will retest here in the same process. So sometimes some traders we don't understand this. It means the candlestick price action. So this price went up, this represents this is the red one, and it is retesting this area, not breaking this line. Same way it can happen that this red candlestick in the next week, first day, it may come down. It went up like this, and it will come down, maybe come down, and it will break, and maybe it will go downward. So that's it, and wait for this candlestick to be very precise in 4 hours. If it doesn't break this green line, if it doesn't break this green line, then there is of course a big chance that the price will move upward, and also which is supported by the if we go to there, which is supported by the cup and handle pattern, and it is broken the area, so it's supposed to come at least to this level, half of this, and after coming to half, then it may do some retest and move upward. That's all for Euro USD, and if there is any change, of course I will update it accordingly. Traders, please bear with me. I cannot squeeze the length of the video, make it 5 minutes, 6 minutes, because in that case you will lose the reason, the underlying causes of the price action, the structure and market structure, all these things, why the market is behaving like that. So thank you very much for listening. Please subscribe and do like and share. And one more thing, we have a disclaimer to declare. Any trade you take based on this analysis is your personal discretion. We are not responsible in any way.